welcome to Secret Garden. It's really good to have you here. Today, on this first day, we're not trying to force ourselves to feel calm. You don't need to be good at meditation, and you don't need to get anything right. Whatever expectations you brought in with you, you can set them down for now. Today, just showing up and sitting down like this is already enough. For now, just give yourself a few minutes. No rush. Just this small pause is a really good place to begin. Before we go any further, let's take a few slow breaths together. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now, allow the breath to return to its natural rhythm. Now, find a comfortable place to sit. Maybe it's a chair, a cushion, or simply the floor beneath you. Just somewhere you can be still for a little while without needing to do anything else. And once you're there, let your body settle naturally. If it feels comfortable, allow your back to be gently upright, but don't hold yourself too tightly. Let the shoulders soften. Let your hands rest wherever they feel most natural. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes, or simply soften your gaze, looking slightly downward, if that feels better for you. For the next few moments, there is nowhere else you need to be, nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to figure out. You don't need to force focus, and you don't need to stop your thoughts. Just allow the body to be here. Notice the weight of your body being supported, the chair, the cushion, or the floor beneath you. It's holding you up naturally. Now, gently bring your attention down to the lower body. Notice where your hips, your thighs, or your seat meet the surface beneath you. No need to analyze anything. Just notice the sensation. And now, bring your attention down to your feet, feeling the contact with the floor beneath you. Maybe there's coolness, warmth, or perhaps no clear sensation at all. And that's okay too. If you notice numbness, tightness, or a little discomfort in the legs or feet, see if you can simply notice it without immediately reacting. You don't need to change anything right away, and you don't need to force yourself through it either. Just noticing is enough. At some point, your mind will wander. That's just what minds do. You may start thinking about tomorrow, something on your to-do list, or something that happened earlier today. And when that happens, just notice it. Maybe quietly say to yourself, thinking, and then gently bring your attention back to the feeling of the body touching the ground. There's no right way to do this, and there's no perfect meditation. Today, we're simply practicing sitting with ourselves. And if there are sounds around you, traffic outside, voices, or sounds inside the house, let them be there. There's no need to push anything away. Just notice that sound is part of this moment too. Now, see if the body can soften a little more. Around the hips, the legs, the feet. Let the ground support you. You don't need to hold yourself up so much right now. And if the body wants to rest, let it rest. We'll stay here for just a few more moments, doing nothing else. Just sitting, just noticing. And whenever you feel ready, begin to bring a little movement back into the body, gently moving the fingers, the toes, and slowly allow the eyes to open. Let your awareness return to the room around you. And for today, just sitting here like this was enough. Thank you for taking this first step with me. I'll see you in day 2.